Ready to turn Solana volatility into your personal ATM. First, head over to the official Bloom Bot website. Be super careful about fake sites. Make sure you are on the legit URL to avoid any scams. Find the download button, usually located right on the homepage, and click it. Once the download is complete, you'll likely have a zip file. Extract the contents of this zip file to a folder you can easily access, like your desktop or documents folder. Now, open the Bloom Bot application. You'll be greeted with the main interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different sections, especially the wallet and settings tabs. Next, you need to connect your Solana wallet. This is crucial. Navigate to the wallet section and carefully input your private key. Double and triple check this information to ensure accuracy. A typo here can be devastating. Now, configure your settings. Set your desired slippage, gas fee, and buy/sell amounts according to your risk tolerance and trading strategy. Lower slippage can mean slower trades, but higher slippage can lead to increased costs. Finding the right balance is key. Finally, choose a trading strategy. Bloom Bot usually offers pre-configured strategies, or allows you to create your own advanced strategies. Select one that aligns with your goals, and then hit that Start Bot button. That's it. Bloom Bot is now actively trading for you. Remember to monitor its performance and adjust your settings as needed. Happy trading, and good luck.